आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है। One Health
The outbreak of COVID 19 has created a global health crisis that has had a deep impact on the way we pursue our world every day. The COVID 19 epidemic is now growing exponentially. Its economic impact is already more severe. The political consequences are harder to predict, but could be more significant and long lasting. What started as an outbreak in China near the end of 2019 has now developed globally. In a matter of months, the world has been transformed. Thousands of people have already died, and hundreds of thousands more have fallen ill. It is more important to contain and prepare to mitigate further outbreaks, particularly in countries like India, with struggling or under resourced health systems. India reported its first confirmed case on 30th Jan 2020. Although India has taken early actions to control its spread, the novel coronavirus has spread relatively. Till now, what happened is very basic. Coming weeks will be more critical and complicated. Social distancing. Keeping space between you and others is one of the best tools we have to avoid being exposed to this virus, since people can spread the virus before they know they are sick. Stay at home. COVID 19 spreads mainly among people who are in close contact for a prolonged period, so stay at home to be safe. Hand wash. Frequent hand wash and maintaining personal hygiene is necessary. Self-quarantine. Isolation and quarantine are public health practices used to protect the public by preventing exposure to the people who are already infected. Remote monitoring system. But why? As the momentum to scale up the global responses to communicable diseases increases, public health practitioners need to be constantly review their performance in detecting and responding to the patient health conditions accordingly, and hence they are more vulnerable to be affected. And not only in COVID-19 cases, but also many people could not go out to the hospitals to their regular checkups due to these lockdowns. As a result of this, many of them are even losing their lives. So, a remote monitoring system is the best solution to control and monitor the patients suffering from communicable, chronic, and regular health issues. Introducing Dozy, your contact free health companion that makes taking care of your health easy. Dozy comes with a thin sensor sheet, a small module, and a smartphone app. Setting up Dozy is a simple one time process. Place the sensor sheet below your mattress. Plug Dozy in and connect it to your smartphone. Now every night, Dozy will monitor your health. Only you need to do is sleep. Dozy tracks your heartbeat, respiration, and stress level throughout the night with its clinically validated technology. It builds an accurate profile of your sleep stages, measuring the quality and restfulness of your sleep. In the morning, wake up refreshed at the right moment in your sleep cycle with Dozy Smart Allow. On the Dozy app, you can see and easy to understand your summary of your sleep and health. Your sleep score will tell you how well you slept last night. You can also see if your heart rate, respiration are outside of the healthy range. Dozy can notify you of potential illnesses before you see any symptoms, so that you can take timely actions and prevent medical emergencies. You can also share your health profile with your family and caregivers so that they know how you are doing. Besides keeping track of your health, Dozy also helps you to actively improve it with personalized tips from experts. Without even touching the person, catches vibrations produced in every heartbeat and respiration cycle. It uses this data to monitor respiration rate, heart rate, stress level, and sleep quality of the person. The data can be displayed on the dashboard for remote monitoring for the medical staff and is also shared on the mobile phone app. Dozy also has an inbuilt alert system that catches respiratory and cardiac distress for the medical staff for in-time actions, thus reducing the burden on public health and reducing the exposure of medical staff to the infected. Benefits: continuous health monitoring of people under observation, contact-free monitoring to lower the chance of infection to the medical staff, early detection of health and respiratory distress to give priority-based timely treatment,